Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of options trading, specifically on JP Morgan's self-directed investing platform. If you're curious about how to get started or just want a straightforward guide, stick around. This is going to be super helpful. First off, let's quickly cover what options are. Options are financial derivatives that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a set price before a certain date. Think of them as bets on whether a stock will go up or down. There are two main types: calls, which let you buy, and puts, which let you sell. Why trade options? They can offer higher returns than regular stocks, help hedge risks, and add flexibility to your portfolio. But remember, they're riskier, so only trade what you can afford to lose. Now, let's walk through the steps on JP Morgan's platform. Start by logging into your self-directed investing account. It's user-friendly and accessible via their app or website. Once you're in, head to the Trade section and select Options from the menu. You'll see a search bar where you can look up the stock or ETF you're interested in. Next, choose your option type, call or put, and specify details like strike price, expiration date, and quantity. Placing an order is straightforward. Click on Buy or Sell, enter your order type, like market or limit, and review everything before confirming. JP Morgan provides tools like option chains and risk analysis to help you make informed decisions. Pro tip: use their practice mode or paper trading feature if you're new, so you can test strategies without real money. Before you jump in, always do your homework. Read up on market trends, set stop-loss orders to limit losses, and consider consulting a financial advisor. Trading options isn't for everyone, but with the right approach, it can be a powerful tool. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. What's your next trading question? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.